Hi y'all, Keri Stevens here with a learning soundbite. Today we're going to talk about organizing your presentation. Have you ever heard that phrase, tell them what you're going to tell them, and tell them what you told them? Well, it's really all about trying to get you to remember that you need to have organization built into your presentation. So I have two questions for you. First of all, do you think that your audiences get annoyed whenever you're repeating things over and over again? Second question, does organization matter when it's brief? Well, let's explore those. First of all, does your audience actually get annoyed when you repeat things? Well, usually that is not the case. As a matter of fact, your audience tends to be distracted, which is increasing these days. That text message comes in and we're tempted to look down at that. If we're not engaged immediately in that presentation, we will check out. The other reason that audiences don't tend to get annoyed has to do with the fact that they appreciate you telling them where you are in your presentation. It gives them cues to know how much longer they're going to need to listen, what main point that you're on, and audiences appreciate that, especially when the presentation is verbal. So let's look at this second thing, brief presentations. Maybe now we don't even have the time to use a formal organizational structure. I actually disagree with that. I've done a lot of research on brief forms of communication, and I think organization might be even more important in these brief presentations than in longer ones. So why is that? It comes back to distractions. People will have their mobile devices out with them. You've got to keep their attention, even in short little snippets. So today we took a look at these two different questions that we have about organization in a contemporary world. You know, do audiences get annoyed, and do we still need it even though it's brief? Hopefully I have convinced you that even today, that old saying, tell them what you're going to tell them, and tell them what you told them, it's still valid, even for these brief formats. Have a great day.